Hello and namaste. My friends, today I will share you the way of video stretching or stitching technique in your Premiere Pro. Very simple and very quick. From your laptop screen, find your Premiere Pro application and open it. Now drop your video in timeline and select it. You can see simply you are having trouble to stretch your video. But all you have to do is open your effect control panel and uncheck the uniform scale. After that, you can change the height and width using sliders. If you have any queries related to this video, please let me know in comment section. Thank you for your love and support.
You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I